Ballad. A ballad is a narrative poem composed in short stanzas, often recounting a dramatic, adventurous, or tragic story, usually involving love, war, or the supernatural. Originating from oral traditions and folk songs, ballads were initially meant for singing, which explain their use of repetition and musical rhythm. There are two types of ballads: popular ballads, anonymous and rooted in oral tradition. Example: Sir Patrick's Spain's The Loving Ballad of Lord Bateman. Literary or art ballad, written by noun poets imitating the traditional forms. Example: Keats' La Ballade d'Amson's Mercy and the Ballad of Reading Gaol and Auden's Victor. Characteristics of ballads: written in quatrains, yani 4 line stanzas with iambic meter and ABCD rhyme scheme. First and third lines have 8 syllables, second and fourth have 6 syllables. Begins abruptly, often with dialogue and impersonal narration. Includes reference repeated lines, creating rhythm and emphasis. Riding in the highway man. Focuses on action and emotion over detailed setting. Frequently includes suspense, mystery, and tragic endings. A variation, the mock ballad, uses the ballad form of comic themes. Example: parody of the rhyme of the ancient mariner. The ballad remains one of the simplest and most powerful forms of narrative poetry.